How to unblock someone on TikTok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove someone from your block list in just a few steps. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Let me show you. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to open the menu. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down and tap on Blocked Accounts to see everyone you've blocked. At this stage, scroll through the list and find the person you want to unblock. Following this, tap on Unblock next to their name. From there, the person will now be unblocked and will be able to find your profile and interact with your content again. Here's an important note. Unblocking someone does not automatically make them follow you again or restore any previous interactions. They will need to find your profile and follow you again if they want to reconnect. And that's it. If this guide helped you unblock someone on TikTok, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.